Daddy Toilet Jokes presents. Why are elevator jokes so classic and good? They work on many levels. What did the drummer call his twin daughters? N1 and 2. Which bear is the most condescending? A panda. Two guys walked into a bar. The third guy ducked. What is orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. I recently went to the world's tiniest wind turbine exhibit. Honestly, not a big fan. How does the man in the moon get his hair cut? Eclipse it. I was just reminiscing about the beautiful herb garden. Good times. Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm dead. You can't plant flowers if you haven't botany. Did you hear about the bankrupt poet? He owed everyone. What's the best way to watch a fly fishing tournament? Live stream. I sold our vacuum cleaner. It was just gathering dust. What did one plate say to another plate? Tonight, dinner's on me. Why didn't Han Solo enjoy his steak dinner? It was chewy. What invention allows us to see through walls? Windows. What do evil chickens lay? Deviled eggs. Why don't pirates take a bath before they walk the plank? They just wash up on shore. Why is Peter Pan always flying? Because he never lands. Two goldfish are in a tank. One says to the other, "Do you know how to drive this thing?" The wedding was so beautiful, even the cake was in tears. What kind of car does a sheep like to drive? Lamb or genie? Rip boiled water, you will be missed. Why do nurses like red crayons? Sometimes they have to draw blood. Dogs can't operate MRI machines, but cats can. I tell dad jokes, but I don't have any kids. I am a fox pa. What did the accountant say while auditing a document? This is taxing. I was going to tell a time-traveling joke, but you guys didn't like it. I used to hate facial hair, but then it grew on me. My wife asked me to stop singing Wonderwall to her. I said maybe. Why are the elevator jokes so classic and good? They work on many levels. What did the drummer call his twin daughters, N1 and 2? This is the end. Daddy Jokes Toilet Roll presented.